Hey guys! We turned our stairs into a slide. You're invited to come slide with us and see how we made this fun slide. First, we measured the stairs to see how many boxes we'd need. Then we headed to the store to buy some boxes.
We got some boxes. You ready?
Thor, are you gonna help make a slide?
Yeah!
Time to make a slide. First, we tape and bend the flaps. Do the same to all the boxes. Now overlap the boxes. And tape the boxes together. Make sure to place the new box underneath the first box. Tape underneath the box for more support. Okay, we got two parts of it together. Ready? We're gonna put one more together. Okay? Now put the slide at the top of the stairs and tape it down.
Throw the ball up there. Oh, you missed it.
We put some padding at the bottom. Now you can slide. Have fun. Watch to the end to see all the fun things we do on our slide.
Thor Winter.
I'm trying to see if I like this or not. Yes, you like it.
Go.
Go,
Let me push that. Okay, go, Winter.
Hey, you! Let's go, me, Winter!
Go. Go.
I'm not ready. Go! Stop staring! Go, 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 go!
Okay, go, buddy.
No, I'm scared.
You want to go backwards?
It's fun. Okay. Gotta go backwards like this. I'll help you. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Go. Oh my God. Sorry to break, but it's so fun. No, I'm doing it.
Okay, Thor, come get the cars and you can put them down there.
Ready, Mom?
Yep. Here it comes. It's go take it. Okay, dump the balls. Whoa. Okay, here's another one. Okay, you bring them up to Winter this time. Okay, hold on.
Go.
What are you doing?
And you flat.
Okay, here's the tower, and Thor's gonna knock it down. Ready, go, Thor! Woo! How was that?
Good. That was good.
You gotta be careful though, so you don't bump it.
That's a bread. That's a block.
Yeah, you can just put lots of blocks up there. Okay, go up there with your cars and try and knock it over.
Okay.
Whoa. You're gonna knock it over. Whoa! Oh, you missed with the first one. Whoa! Whoa, you knocked part. Whoa! Ah! Oh. Okay, let's see if you can knock it down. Woo! Only part of it. Here it comes. Whoa! One more. Oh, you gotta knock the other part down. Almost. Try and do like 2 cars at the same time, maybe. Oh, you're gonna knock it down? Whoa! Yay! Okay, hold on. Woo! That looks like that's fun. Is that fun, Thor?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go down.
I'm not ready, Mom. I'm here to do that.
I like that, the pillow. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, come
I
here.
want to watch you.
You're gonna watch me?
Yes.
Okay, can you hold that?
Yes.
No, this way. And then you can watch me on it. Okay? Don't stick your fingers. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Good. I'll hold on to the pillow, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. See if Mom can do it.
Go.
Ready?
Go, go, go.
Here we go!
Go.
Okay, let's see it. Making a train.
Train.
Okay, go.
What's nice is
Let's do that one more time. Go, Thor. Go, buddy. It's all right. Go.
Don't jump it off. We gotta fix it. You gotta get off.
Go. Go. Woo!
Let's do that one more time, Richard.
Careful. Yeah. Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so we can make some more fun videos just like this one.